Do you love sparkling water, but are tired of spending a ton of money buying it at the big box stores and then having to throw away all the bottles or plastic jugs? Hi, my name is Bob. I want to introduce you to a product that we purchased about 6 months ago, and I just want to give a review on it to tell you how much we've enjoyed this. Meet the SodaStream Art Sparkling Water Maker. If you'll stay around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to save even more money with sparkling water that you will love. First of all, let me show you how this works. In the back of the machine, there's a hole right here that you pull to open it up. Now you can either buy these with the machine as a bundle, or you can order them separately. This model right here, the Art model, is the Quick Connect model. There's another type that has a screw on, but remember, with this one, it's a quick connect, it's easy to put on, and you'll enjoy it. So first thing you do after you open the back of it, lift up this lever till it's horizontal. Then you take your bottle, it doesn't matter what position you have it in, put the bottom in first, push it inside, and then just close the top. That locks it in. Then all you have to do is take the back again, and you'll see this little end that sticks out. Make sure you line it up with the hole down here. Push it in there and close it till it clicks. And that's it. You're ready to make sparkling water. So let me show you how you do it. You can buy these bottles from SodaSense or order them online. The nice thing about these is that you can put your own type of water inside here. We prefer filtered water from our water filter. That way we know what's going in here and know that there's not any harmful chemicals or anything that will harm us. So you fill up the water up to this line. Right here you'll see it. You take it and you put it where this nozzle comes. You stick it inside there till it stops and close it. Push it up against the back of it and you'll see it's kind of floating right here. And that's all you have to do. Now they recommend when you pull this lever down to put the carbonation in it, 3 to 5 times is what you want to put in there. Now there's a secret to doing this. I've talked to some people that were really unhappy with it and ready to get rid of it, return it, or throw it out because they weren't doing it properly. The secret to it is that when you pull the lever down, you're going to hear the bubbles, and then you'll hear like an exhaust, like you do on a, let's say, a semi-truck, the air brakes. It'll go psh. When you hear that noise, psh, you'll let up on the lever, wait for the bubbles to stop, and then pull it down for the next one. Let me demonstrate. So you pull it down till you hear the noise. You hear that? Psh. You let the lever up, let the bubble stop, pull it again. Hear the exhaust, that's 2. Pull it down again, hear the exhaust, that's 3. Pull it down again, hear the exhaust, that's 4. And just take it, lift the bottom of it out, and it pulls off. Close your lid, and you're ready to drink your sparkling water. Now the 3 times when you pull it down, if you pull it down for 3 times, it's going to be a nice bubbly flavor in your water. If you pull it down 4 times, is what we prefer, you get a good, solid, bubbly, sparkling water flavor that lasts a long time. 5 times, if you pull it down, it'll pretty much make your eyes water, but it's still good. For those who like real strong carbonated water, sparkling water, you can go the 5 times, but just try it, each one, see what you like. They also sell little flavor bottles that you can put inside here when you're done, and it'll give you different flavors like cola, or root beer, or cherry, or lemon lime, different ones. They have a whole bunch. You can make any combination you want. Now those are flavored and they are sweetened. So if you're not into any type of sweetener like we are, we just prefer just plain water. You can just make it like this. Now let me tell you some of the pros and the cons about this. The pros are that there's no batteries. There's no electricity. You don't have to plug it in. Once you put your CO2 bottle in the back of it, you're ready to go. You can take it with you. You can stop somewhere along the side of the road or at a rest station, a rest area, make yourself some more carbonated water, and then go ahead and put it back. Also, another pro is that you can make it as strong as you want to. Like I said, you can put in 3 pulls, 4 pulls, or 5 pulls. And also, if I've drinking a lot of this, let's say halfway down, and the carbonation is starting to leave a little bit, I can always put it back in there again, give it 1 or 2 pulls, and it'll freshen it up again with a nice carbonation. Now the way you can order it, you can get a bundle, and you can get 2 or more of these CO2 bottles that come with it. But I'm going to show you at the end of this video a bonus where you can get even more savings. By buying it this way, it's a lot cheaper than it is buying the bottles, and we don't have to recycle bottles or take them to the recycling plant or throw them in the trash, however you do them. Now let me show you a way that you can save even more on this. It's really going to make you happy. You can go up to a big box store and buy these separate CO2 cartridges to put inside of here, and they're going to run you probably around $30, give or take. But when you buy the bundle online, the bundle comes with 2 of the cartridges or 1 cartridge. But if you get the 2 cartridges, it's going to come inside this box, and you want to save this box. Now what you can do is, inside the box is going to have a card with a QR code that you take your phone, or you can call up the company. What they do when you call the company, they'll either send you an email with a sticker, a return sticker that you can print out, postage paid. You don't have to pay for the return. And when you return the 2 bottles, they will go ahead and for about almost $10 less per bottle, so you save almost $20 on doing it this way, they will send you 2 new refilled bottles with another box, with another label inside there. So you can keep doing it back and forth and back and forth. It's a whole lot cheaper, a whole lot more savings, and you're going to really enjoy it. Now if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button underneath, and also give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Also, give me your comments down below, what you thought about the product. If you have this or if you have a different one, this is one we enjoy. There's a link down below that you can press that helps out the channel. It'll take you to the Amazon site where you can go ahead and order one. We do get a small commission from it, but it doesn't cost you any more, it doesn't cost you any less, but it helps out the channel a lot. So if you're looking for a way to get sparkling water at a lot cheaper price, anytime you want it, you can enjoy it. You can even make a whole bunch of extra ones, keep them beside the refrigerator to keep them cold. This is the way to do it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon too. Again, thanks again for watching. Until next time, stay hydrated and keep those bubbles flowing. Bye.